everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this gorgeous Day6 album, which is their latest album called Moonrise. I recently got into Day6 actually quite a number of months ago, maybe a couple months ago, and I'm really happy that I was able to pick up Moonrise. This is the gold moon version, I believe. So today I'm going to be unboxing all of these goodies for you. I just want to show you the outside packaging because it is gorgeous. I really like this box that it comes in. It's kind of like a textured kind of paper, and I really like how it has like some silver foiling on the cover, as well as a really nice group shot of all of the members. You have Junkie, Jae, Wonpil, Dowoon, and Sungjin, and they look really good. I really like the images in the gold moon version. I did also like the silver moon one, however I really liked all of the stars in this photo shoot, so I decided to pick up this one. So this is what the case looks like. You do have this thing on the side which says Moonrise Day6, the second album. It has JYP over here, some more silver foiling, same thing on this side. It is so beautiful. I love all the colors. And over here it's kind of like a little flap, I guess. Mine is kind of already opening. However, I just want to show you this. It has all of the songs on here. I believe it has 18 songs, which is crazy. I guess I'm sort of used to seeing albums that are maybe only half of that, like mini albums and stuff like that. However, I'm really happy that this is 18 songs long and all of the songs are so good on this album. You also have a little bit more writing here. This is kind of just in grayish ink. You have their logo over here, and as well as a little sticker that says Moonrise. I already took off the plastic that came over top of this. However, I wanted to show you guys this little sticker that was on it. It says Moonrise and it's just like the barcode. I'm definitely going to cut that out and put that in my planner because it's really cute. It has a really nice font on it. So now let's get into this unboxing. So I'm going to start this unboxing because this is literally bursting open because of this sticker. So this is how you open up the album. I really like how it's sort of like in this box that you kind of unwrap like that. On the inside you have a beautiful design on it. My box is actually a little bent when I got it, however I don't really mind. It has a gorgeous design on the inside here, which I believe is a moon. If I move that, oh, it is so gorgeous, isn't it? Oh my goodness. So obviously in here you have the album. This has, like I said, 18 songs on it, and it is just in sort of like this vellum-y thick paper. This is what the CD looks like. It is kind of like a bluish, kind of washy kind of design, and it has some silver holographic lettering on it. It says Moonrise on the top, Day6 second album. It is so gorgeous. I like how they give it in one of these little envelopes rather than in like one of the big packages. I don't know, I think I kind of prefer these like slip ones better than the ones where you have to actually like click the CD inside. I don't know why. Also, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little like design of the moon on there. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little shiny. I think you can see it on camera. But also in here, I believe that they had this in all of their albums actually. Some transparencies that they have each member on, and when you put them all together it creates a little scene. So in this one you have obviously a picture of a moon, you get some stars in there. This one is really pretty. And then these are all of the individual members on all of the cards. So the first one is Junkie. He's wearing one of those like one piece, like, what are they called? I don't know what they're called, but he's wearing one of those things. I guess that's the look for this album, but yep, there's Junkie. The next one is Dowoon. Can you see it? I think Dowoon's pose is like the most natural. I mean, he's not doing anything weird compared to all the other ones. Here's Wonpil. I don't know what he's doing. Throwing up a peace sign. Cute. Cute. Sungjin, again, have no idea what he's doing with his hand. And then the last one is Jae. So all of these together look really cool, especially with the moon over top of them. It looks Looks slightly weird without this moon over top of them, but I think it looks really cool. I kind of want to incorporate this into my planner or something, but I don't want to like ruin these transparencies. Like I don't want to like hole punch them or anything. So I don't know how I'm going to be using these because they're so pretty. I almost forgot about this poster. Like I said, I did open this prior to filming this unboxing, so some of the things were kind of moved around a little bit, but this used to be on top here, on top of the notebook, and this is something so cool. It's kind of like a foldable, detachable poster, so you have like a single poster of all of the members, which is really nice. So the first one is Sungjin. On the back, it doesn't really have much design on it. It just says Moonrise, Day6 second album. But I think they look so good in these photo shoots. This one is of Sungjin. He looks really good in these colors. Here, the next one is Jae and Younghae. Younghae looks really good in pink, actually. Also Jae. Jae looks really good. I really like his blondish hair. I think it really suits him. And Wonpil and Dowoon. They look so good. And like I said, all of these posters can be detachable, so you can use them wherever. Probably gonna stick that up somewhere. But I'm really happy that I have this. The back side is all the same. And now we can go into this book. Let me just move this guy out of the way. So let's see. So again, this book is a really nice texture. It is the same texture as the packaging, and it's, I don't know how to explain this. It's kind of like watercolor paper, I want to say, but I know it's not. It has this gorgeous design on it. Let me show you this first. I really like these little stars on it. I think they're so pretty, and I like how it's, I don't know, I like how there's this line printed here. I don't know. I just really like it. All the lettering is in black, and you have the same picture over here. Oh, actually, no, that's a different picture from the front. They look really good. I really like this photo shoot. Okay, let's go into the book. So, the first page, you get an aesthetic shot over here. It says Moonrise. I really like this font. Like, this aesthetic is like what I live for. I love all of these stars. You get the track listing again here. The first group shot. They all look so good. What is this? JYP does such a good job of like choosing their idols. I really like this group shot. I've actually been trying to think about like who is like my bias in Day6, but I like them all. I seriously like them all. They all have like really nice voices. Well, I guess you don't get to hear a lot of Dowoon's voice, but I still really like Dowoon. Here's some really nice pictures of Sungjin. So yeah, so it definitely is the Gold Moon version. I completely forgot. It's really nice. I like this whole aesthetic, this theme that they're going with. I think this jacket really suits Sungjin. Like, these types of like silhouettes suit him very well. Moving on to Jae. He has one of his eyes covered. That's so Jae. He looks really good too. Sometimes I'm not used to like seeing Jae without his glasses, but he still looks good. Moving on to Younghae. Like I said, he looks really good in pink. I like that earring on him as well. I think I like his dark hair on him best. He's reading. Oh, Wonpil! Wonpil looks so good. If I really had to choose, Wonpil might be my bias. He looks so good. I also really like his voice. It's very unique. No one has his voice. What is his jacket? Is it like sparkly or is that just the shine? Dawn. This is a really nice spread. I really like this one. I would actually love to hear more of Doan's voice because it's like naturally quite deep. I want to like hear him sing a little bit more. He looks really good in red as well. Ooh, I really like this image. I kind of want one of these for my room. Another outfit for Sungjin. Oh, these pictures look so cool. Oh, I love the lighting. They look so good. This spread looks so nice. Oh, pop a little yellow on Jay there. Oh, why did they look so good? It's so annoying. Jay with Young K. Now Young K. Ooh, these are very nice shots of him. These are very strange angles to like be shooting in, but they look really like nice and effortless on them. Honestly, they can pull off like any outfit. Moving on to Wonpil. What kind of jacket is he wearing? What is this shiny? Still suits him really nicely. Oh, one of my favorite spreads. Look at that smile. So cute. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite spread of Wonpil. Looks so cute on it. Now Doan, Sungjin, and Wonpil all together. Wow, they look really good. Where did they take these pictures? Oh, another really awesome spread of Doan. He's just posing with a notebook. I'm guessing they didn't have a drum set on set. Now all together. I see Jay in the crease there. One last group image. I believe this is all of their thanks. Jay wrote his in English. Here is all of the lyrics. Pretty much all of them are written by Young K. Yep, pretty much all of them are written by Young K. All the other ones helped as well. I really like this calming blue color. Here's just a bunch of more information about JYP staff. I really like the picture in the background, all the colors again. And the last page. This is the back. They all look so good. Okay, so now on to the photo cards. So in this album they don't have photo cards that are actual like credit card size photo cards. They actually have, not Polaroids, but you know when you are taking pictures with film, they have like those proofs that you have. So I'm going to show you guys the back first. You get 2 of them in this album, and what I really like about these is that on the back side of your photo cards it has another image printed on them, and if you purchase their previous albums as well, you can put all of them together and it'll create like one big image. So I was lucky enough to get 2 photo cards that are side by side, so I can get I can get the Moonrise title as well as Sungjin's face, which is really funny. Oh, here. So yeah, I was very lucky to get two pieces that are side by side each other. So I got the title and Sungjin's face, and yep, I got like a little wisp of someone's hair over here. I don't know who it is, but I was quite happy with that. So actually when I purchased this, I was thinking about who I wanted to get for my photo cards, and I was like, if I really wanted one, I kind of want Wonpil, maybe Dowoon as well. And I got them both, which is awesome. Obviously I do love all of the other members as well, but as this is my very first Day6 album to unbox, you know, I kind of just wanted these two guys for now. Obviously I do have these ones, these larger posters as well. I do love all of them, don't take that the wrong way. But yeah, I'm so excited that I got these two photo cards. Okay, so I'll show you the Wonpil one first. I really like all of these images. I think my favorites on these are like the slightly blurry ones like this. But I think these look so cool. It has like their name on the side here. And it says August, September, October, November on the side. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these are all images from their songs that they released during that month. During Day 6. Why did my brain just turn off there? But I really like all of these images. Look how handsome. This is definitely my favorite picture of him. This one is of Dowoon. Again, it just says his name here, and it says August, September, October, November. This is my favorite image. In a way, I kind of like these photo cards in that you get 4 different pictures on them, as well as the one on the back. But I do want to put this in like a little card holder or something like that to sort of make like a collection of photo cards, but these definitely won't fit inside. But I really like them. I'm really happy that I got Dowoon and Wonpil. When they put out another album, I'm hoping to collect the other members as well. I feel like in a lot of like JYP like albums, you do get a lot of like different things as well as the album. Like you always get some sort of poster or like some extra thing like this. But yeah, I'm so excited for this album. I've been listening to it already. And honestly, all of the songs are so good. If I had to pick a couple of songs that are my favorites, let me just see the track listing here. If I have to pick some of my favorites, oh my gosh, this is so hard. I really like 좋아합니다. I love Hi Hello. I Love You. I Loved You is a good one. I think I'll Try is a really good one. Number 13 was really good. And I also really like Colors as well. But I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please like this video and comment down below who was your bias. Let me know, let me know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!